Write a function to describe each transformation. Here we are given the ordered pairs for the pre-image and the image. Here are the pre-image ordered pairs, and here are the image ordered pairs. So in order to write the function, we first need to figure out what transformation has taken place. So we're simply going to choose one vertex, or one ordered pair from the pre-image, and I'm just going to choose F since it's first. Sorry. I'm going to choose F, and then you also need to choose the corresponding vertex, which would be F prime. Okay, so we know that this is our X value, this is our Y value, this is our X value, this is our Y value. So what we need to do is subtract the pre-image from the image, okay? So let me break that down for you. So let's first look at our X's, okay? So what is our image X value? It is 1. Minus, what is our pre-image X value? It is 1. What does that equal? 1 minus 1 is 0. This 0 tells us that there was no change. That tells us that nothing at all happened to the X values. Okay, so let's move on to the Y values. Our image Y value is -4 minus our pre-image Y value, which is -3. 2 negatives equal a positive. -4 plus 3 is -1. So this tells us that what's happening to the Y values is that we're subtracting 1. So let's go ahead and write our function. Remember, the X values, no change, but the Y values, we are subtracting 1. All right, let's take a look at this one. Again, I'll highlight to make it easier to see. Here are our pre-image ordered pairs, and here are our image ordered pairs. So again, you need to select a vertex on the pre-image and its corresponding vertex on the image. And then label X and Y. This is an optional step. If you struggle to identify the X and Y, then you need to label. But if you feel that you're pretty good, then don't worry about that part. So let's look at our X values first. So the image ordered pair is -2 minus the pre-image 3. -2 minus 3 is -5. So we see that we do have a change there. So that's simply X minus 5. Now let's look at our Y's. -3 minus 3. That is -6. So we see that that will be Y minus 6. So for this one, both changed. So to write our function, XY becomes X minus 5. Y minus 6. All right, and our last example, here are our pre-image ordered pairs. Here are our image ordered pairs. Remember to choose one of the vertices. Here we go. All right, so let's look at our X values first. I forgot to label them for those who may need that. XY, XY. So for the X's, we have -1 minus -4. -1 minus -4. That becomes plus. -1 plus 4 is 3. That's a +3, so that will be X plus 3. Our Y values, we have -3 minus -3. 2 negatives make a positive. -3 plus 3 is 0. So we have no change for the Y values. So for our function, xy becomes x plus 3y.